Guys, we're having a great time, and we're going to have an even better time because I've got a real treat for you. Melissa and my lovely Mel is going to show you how to eat balut. Okay, girls.
Okay, guys. So we have a balut here. We try Chris give one, but he don't want to try. But me and Melissa will try to
No,
eat
you
balut.
can eat mine. It's okay.
So guys, we will show you how to eat the balut. So first, So first is you need to crack slowly lang.
You need to crack it.
Just come here.
Okay,
Crack it.
let's crack it.
Yan, tama yan, B.
Oh, you crack
And
it
then like this.
like
Yeah.
this.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god. I see
Open
that.
it.
Oh.
And then you put vinegar and salt.
Right.
Oh, there's a soup na. Oh my god.
Oh, there's a soup.
There's a soup there, Kuya
Oh my
Chris.
God. Oh,
Ay,
look
sala-
at the
sila
embryo,
buksan.
guys. Look at the embryo. You see, we're not joking. There's
Look. This is
It's-
juice na,
it's
juicy.
and don't forget the balut. Don't forget. I don't know if you know, guys, but the balut is actually duck embryo.
Just like that, guys. Oh.
Mas masarap pong kainin ang balut with vinegar. Then with lalagay natin
Yeah,
ng
vinegar and salt.
It's masarap. Well, I'll take your word for it. How do you put the vinegar on yours, Mel? If
Yeah,
there's
it's
nowhere for the
okay.
vinegar, you've done it wrong way round.
Yes.
Because I don't know, I'm
But
not
talon.
expert. Melissa is expert.
Oh.
Look, the sauce is
Oh.
very juicy.
Oh,
It's
the
very,
sauce.
it looks like delicious.
Well, how do you drink the juice, Melissa?
Okay, wait.
Drink it.
Oh.
I will put a little bit salt.
Oh, lovely.
Then you just
what's it?
sip.
Oh.
You just sip the
Oh.
soup
Oh,
like
go on.
this.
Oh. Ooh, that's lovely, Melissa. Oh my God.
Very delicious.
How do you do the soup when there's nowhere to put the soup, you pitalon?
I'm not expert. Melissa is expert. No, I
Calm down, calm down, calm down.
This is the right, Melissa is the right.
Yeah, Melissa's done it the
But
right
Yeah,
way.
I do it right.
Yeah, you've done it wrong way round.
Patsalon.
Yeah.
It's okay.
All right.
Want to try?
No, thank you. You can try mine.
Oh, look, they have a
Oh,
Look it.
look, it's winking at her. It's winking. Don't eat me. Don't eat me. Please don't eat me.
They have a
Oh,
here.
this is disgusting, guys. Oh my God, look at that.
Look at that one.
Oh,
Just like I don't want to eat.
oh, you got to do it now.
Nagsisisi na si Kuya Chris, ay si Ate Bibi.
If you want to sponsor more balut, guys.
Si Ap, gusto mo gawin ni Ap.
Abo.
Oh my God. 25 pesos. Oh, yummy. Oh, oh, look at that, guys. Look.
There's a lot of berry, guys.
Oh.
Very delicious.
Oh, yes, it looks.
Tumahulog.
Hey man.
Oh, I can't wait to eat some of this. It looks so yummy.
The duck is like
Oh,
sleeping.
yeah, calm down, calm down. Oh, look
The
at
eyes.
that. The eyes. Oh,
And the
yeah.
head. Wait.
What about, have you not, you know,
Just
thought,
try it too.
no thank you, I've already done that.
Try it, Kuya Chris.
No, it's disgusting. Have you not thought about the embryo poop?
In the embryo.
Stop saying that, we're eating.
Well, I'm sorry, but oh, yummy. Oh, go on. Is it all going down, Mal? Is it all going down? Go on, show them. Oh
Whoa,
my
very good.
God, calm down.
Smart.
Oh,
Very nice.
no.
Look.
Kainin mo na yan.
Look.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow, Melissa's won. She won. It all went in all at once. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh,
Very yummy.
very yummy. All that embryo poop.
Very delicious, Kuya Chris.
So guys,
Try it.
have you tried balut? What did you think about it? Would you do it again? Let me know in the description below. And don't forget, give that thumbs up, share our videos, and don't forget guys, make a comment and you override the algorithm so they can't slow down our videos.
If you try to eat balut, don't look as well.
Yeah, don't look. Don't
Just
look.
like what I did. Just
But you can look at the young ladies that's doing the balut tonight, okay? Thank you very much, guys.
bye.
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 Oh yeah, bye.
Next is Chris.
Next.
Next Chris, they eat our balut too.
Yeah. Shout out to Ronald, Simon, Robert,
Das.
Robert Cole, Robert Ball, Daz,
Magiting kayo.
everybody.
Rick
Rick,
and Micah. Ay, Michelle.
Michelle, and you said Daz, haven't you?
Yeah, I already said.
And everybody that
David.
supports us on membership and what's the other one?
Patreon.
Patreon. Thank you very much, guys. We appreciate it.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze.